In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to selectively sharpen an image in Luminar AI. Selective sharpening lets you crisp up just the important areas, like eyes, skin texture, or your main subject, while keeping smoother regions clean and natural. There isn't a dedicated selective sharpening brush, but masking with the Details tool gives you the same precise control. Start by opening your photo and switching to the Edit workspace. In the Essential Tools section, look for Details. This is where we'll apply sharpening, but only where we choose. Open the masking panel inside the Details tool. You have a few targeting options. Mask AI can automatically find common elements in the scene, such as people, buildings, or the sky, so you can quickly isolate your subject. If you want total control, pick the brush mask and paint directly over the areas that need extra crispness. For tone-based targeting, luminosity masking lets you focus on highlights, midtones, or shadows depending on brightness, which is great when you want to enhance only brighter textures or keep shadow areas smooth. Once your mask is set, every adjustment you make will affect only that area. Begin with the small Details slider to bring out fine textures like eyelashes, hair strands, or fabric weave. Use medium details to emphasize mid-sized features and shape. Large details adds presence to broader structures and overall form. Move each slider gradually and watch the image at around 100% zoom so you can judge clarity without creating artifacts. If edges feel a bit harsh, ease back slightly, or balance with the Sharpen slider, which refines edge definition specifically within your mask. If the transition between sharpened and unsharpened areas looks obvious, soften the mask edges using feather or softness to blend the effect seamlessly. Inside the Details tool, use Details masking to protect uniform areas that don't need texture, like skies or smooth backgrounds, and to keep noise under control. A light touch usually looks most natural. It's normal to nudge settings rather than push them to extremes. As you fine-tune, toggle the before and after view to confirm the sharpening serves the subject without introducing halos or grain. If you need to adjust later, you can return to the Details tool, tweak the sliders, or refine the mask. Luminar AI keeps these edits non-destructive, so you're never locked in. With a mask and detail adjustments, you'll get crisp subjects, clean skies, and natural-looking images. Remember, selective sharpening is about guiding the viewer's eye. Add clarity where you want attention, and let the rest breathe.